We've just opened the doors for the first day of Taste of Dubai, so we're excited for a weekend ahead of us full of foodie fun and good vibes all around. So we're here until Sunday night, and we're looking forward to welcoming 25,000 people over the weekend.
I'm here outside the Taste of the UK stall at the Taste of Dubai Festival. And it's just a really exciting moment. There's great food here, there's great people, great music. I've just had a go at making a Monmouth Mule cocktail, which I'm sure was delicious, but perhaps not as good as the professional mixologists here.
It's an amazing atmosphere. You can taste all the 5-star, 4-star foods, and it's absolutely we are enjoying with our children. And I would tell to everyone to come and join with us.
You see the excitement, you see the how people are reacting with each other. Yes, I'm a chef, and yes, I'm really into food, but I'm really into how people react and act together. And if you have the right environment for all different nationalities in the whole world, and you put them with food, all the differences will really dissolve. All the difference will go away. You will try my food, I will try your food, we'll sit down, we'll have something to drink together, and you will have just positive energy.
I came here just to try new food. I want to know some new restaurants and explore new taste. So yeah, and maybe meet some people like you guys. Lovely people, yeah.